Welcome YouTube Pyros. Tonight I took an old Ariel spinner, added a ground bloom to it to see if it would fly, and took another one and modified it just into two. We'll see if it'll fly. Also made a couple straw crackers. We'll see if they work. We have the 2-blade modified spinner. Let's see if it works. As you see, it didn't work. Next, we have the regular one. Let's try that one. Well, at least that one tried to fly. We have a homemade straw cracker. Yeah, it worked good. 3 at once. Well, only 2 lit. Until next time.